King Lover. Hi, I'm Diamond. This is a story about a hurricane, a man, and rain all day long. And it's about everybody needing somebody. Listen. There's a storm coming, y'all. Weathermen say it's gonna be raining all day. He said, go out and find yourself somebody, baby. It's gonna be a cuddle me kind of day. He said, there's a storm coming, y'all. And this ain't no time to be alone. Okay, well, I've been searching and I've been looking, y'all. Searching high and looking low, trying to find a hurricane lover, y'all, to rock me nice and slow. I need me a hurricane lover, y'all, to please help me through this storm. Weathermen say there's a storm coming, y'all, and I ain't gonna be alone. Now he gotta be the kind of man who knows how this shit's supposed to go. Gotta know how to love a woman from her nose down to her toes. He gotta know how to ride a storm, baby, nice and slow. Put a hump in his back and let the hurricane blow. Oh, there's a storm coming, y'all. This ain't no time to be alone. I've been searching and I've been looking, y'all. Searching high and looking low, trying to find a hurricane lover who can rock me nice and slow. I need a hurricane lover, y'all. Please come help me weather this storm. Oh, weathermen say there's a storm coming, y'all, and I don't wanna be alone.